The Border Security Force has apprehended a Pakistani Ranger for attempting to infiltrate into Indian territory in Rajasthan, while Pakistan claims that the Ranger was abducted from Pakistani territory. 2 Pakistani spies have been arrested by Punjab police near the Indo-Pakistan border for leaking sensitive information related to air bases and army cantonment. Pakistan's defense minister has warned India that it would strike any structure that is built on the Indus River in violation of the Indus Water Treaty. Intelligence sources have revealed that Pakistan can sustain high-intensity combat operations for no more than 4 days, due to a critical shortage of artillery ammunition, which is an outcome of Pakistan's arms exports to Ukraine. Indian ordnance manufacturing companies have cancelled long leaves of their employees with immediate effect to ensure uninterrupted production and preparedness. Indian Navy has issued NOTAM warnings for firing drills in Arabian Sea from 3rd May to 7th May. Chinese fishing vessels are operating just 120 nautical miles from recent Indian naval drills that can be used for tracking Indian deployment and feeding early warning to Pakistan. The Indian Army has received new supplies of the Russian Igla-S missiles as part of a 260 crore rupees contract signed under the emergency procurement powers given to the armed forces. India has extended $200 million defense line of credit to Angola, and Angola has expressed interest in transport vehicles, ammunition and support for the overhaul and servicing of its Su-30 fighter jets. The flight deck of INS Vikrant aircraft carrier will need slight modifications for the recently ordered Rafale Marine to be able to fit on the lifts. The DRDO has successfully carried out maiden flight trials of a stratospheric airship platform that was launched with an instrumental payload to an altitude of around 17 kilometers. Prime Minister Modi has laid the foundation stone for a new missile test range in Andhra Pradesh that will be used for testing advanced tactical missile systems, including surface-to-air and anti-tank missiles. Safe Automation Services has delivered over 200 remote-controlled lifebuoys to the Indian Navy. A senior official from DRDO's gas turbine research establishment has said that India will get 100% intellectual property rights and transfer of technology for the 120 kN 6th generation jet engine that will be developed jointly with a foreign partner for the AMCA. Rolls-Royce has emerged as the frontrunner by offering full intellectual property rights, as Safran offered 50% intellectual property rights, and General Electric offered 90% intellectual property rights. Full intellectual property rights ensures India owns the engine's design, production processes and future upgrades, allowing for modifications and exports without foreign restrictions. The complete technology transfer guarantees that Indian engineers gain the technology to manufacture, upgrade and innovate independently. Brazilian aircraft manufacturer Embraer has announced plans to establish a final assembly line for its C-390 Millennium tactical transport aircraft in India, if it wins the Indian Air Force's medium transport aircraft tender for 60 to 80 units. The final assembly line will position India as an export hub for the Asia-Pacific region. The proposed hub would also include a training academy, leveraging India's skilled workforce to certify pilots, load masters and maintenance crews for both Indian and foreign operators. Today's top 3 comments.
Omar dropped it.